Good evening again, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining us again on another episode of the Upnlive show. Big up to everybody who's tuned in on Facebook. Oh, that's me. Sorry, I'm ready for go because I asked who for that. Big up to everybody on Facebook that is tuned in. Ituki, big up yourself. Big up yourself. At the moment, we have a very special guest who is in studio, and he has a very Don name, which is very crazy. I don't know if that makes sense. He goes by the name of Don Crazy.
Image.
Him say Image.
Lord.
Yeah,
Image on the bridge.
Image
Tower
on the
bridge.
bridge.
Image on the bridge.
If you're not an image, you can't dip on the bridge.
Google them not pop up.
Not popping up at all. Well on, brother.
Still a search.
Welcome and thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
No worries.
Image.
For the people who do not know you, who's Don Crazy?
Why is a creator?
Of what?
Dancing.
Alone?
No, you know, so we fix a whole heap of things.
Like what? Car? You're a mechanic?
Boy.
Me have to ask, you say fix,
So,
whole heap of things.
I'm here the youth of them call fix things. Not now
things.
go on a party scene, boy, I me fix it.
Pause. Don't go no further. Don't. You in at the party I fix things, cause don't go no further. Right. How did you get into entertainment itself? How did you get into dancing? Was it something that you naturally did, or somebody had to teach you how to dance? Talk to us about that.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Aye. No, what is so?
Yes.
You know, say I love dancing because I grew up and watch a youth a dance when I look upon him image it different. A creator, he make things.
You want to name the
Mr.
person?
Wacky.
Oh, me
Mr.
know
Wacky,
something,
so,
yeah.
January with the same way. We
Yeah.
not finish him month
Yeah.
yet, because February is my month, you know. So
Oh.
him cross the button and him give it to February.
Oh, okay.
So
All right.
that's an image of roll over. Yo, right now I want chat a whole heap.
So
Me not go talk much.
because you mentioned Mr. Wackingham, where are you from originally? Are you from UK? Are you from Jamaica originally? For the viewers who don't know you.
Seriously, I'm a Jamaican born.
Where?
Jamaica.
When you're born in a whole, so Jesus was dropping in Jamaica, so?
Yeah,
Were
me
you born in
seriously,
Kingston
if
13?
14 parish me I represent.
All right, so
So you're representative-
man representing
in a
14
UK,
parishes.
in a UK, cause I have some live right now.
Okay.
All of me youth them, I have some them there.
Okay.
So me I represent for the 14
For the 14 parishes of Jamaica. All right, then
You see me I
fine.
say?
So you said that Mr. Wacky is an inspiration
I
as
swear
to
you.
why you started dancing. And was that while you were in Jamaica or before you came to the UK?
While I was in Jamaica.
While you were in Jamaica.
Growing as a youth, me I look upon him and say, yo, them youth are genuine fam. Them youth have a image.
So
Them
you
youth are people have to look upon them when
Yes.
them
you're,
are
all,
young.
you're almost a ravers then.
I am a ravers.
All right then.
See?
Then that me I talk about.
I am a ravers.
That me I talk
But
about,
you
man.
have a thing where they are Jamaica now where them say ruler.
Okay.
Yeah.
Explain
ruler.
that to me now, please.
Yeah, Aritala. Big up Aritala.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
the
yeah,
whole
yeah,
ruler
yeah.
family.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Right now I him do some song where right now I to a push. Dan Bass, image pan the bridge.
Image pan image. Yeah. Yeah.
Ruler, them say image, big goal where I score and a skimmage. So it's
Okay.
a ballers dance.
Okay.
Football or something.
Okay. So them do it on the field.
Yeah, it's a field dance.
It's a field dance.
You
So
see me? It's a
who
footballers
can know
dance.
say him really idolize Mr. Wacky as you
Yeah,
can
that's
see.
true.
The little bling bling pan me and you don't know.
Show
It's a wacky thing.
Show the camera now.
Should we talk make him
Show
so
me talk.
agua, you know?
Yeah.
The spiky them, you know what?
Yeah.
All right, you know
Only
it's done.
dance in the UK when I do certain dance I do we create things.
All right.
So let's just talk about a recent clippings as I say about you recently at the Brixton O2 with Shensia
Yeah.
and Massacre at that show where I was dancing and a bag of thing, you know, and when people was getting crazy, like I hear some white girls show it out, you know. Some white girl from them like from where you call some of them places, Cambridge or them places. Oh, who is that crazy guy?
Don
And some people
Crazy.
say like, a dancer man. They're like, oh.
Explain that situation to us. How did you feel dancing at that event? Because I mean, it's Shensia and Massacre and a bag of other good artists.
Yeah,
I mean, what was
go on
that
that thing, you know.
experience
Yeah,
for
we
you?
feel good still.
And
but
how
as
did it
a
happen?
As a Jamaican
Yeah.
youth growing up, we have to respect the artists them. And we have to love
Yeah,
the
we have to
artists
support them as well.
But as a dancer in the UK, me no want to say certain things and people say, Raw, why him say that?
Certain things like what?
Don't do me that.
What do you mean? But we're having a conversation. I'm in the dark as to what you're referring to.
You know, so me need to zip it up for real. Me like you. Empress Rasta run grung. See, our next Rasta you want to talk.
All right, so
the reason why I do that.
Do that.
Me address. The reason why I do that because me feel like me have an image.
Okay,
like you're a public figure.
Image.
Yeah,
Fine.
You're a public figure.
If me
okay.
out there and people approach me and say, yo, you want me? You in the building? Massacre perform.
Yeah.
Do something.
Okay.
So we sure the public so we have something.
Yeah.
You have a youth named Gangster Kid. Rasta. Me hear you talk about him party.
Yeah.
Bless you.
Yeah.
You see me I say? You see that youth there? When him have a moment on the stage, that's the moment me feel like, all right, now run down in the building. Now. That's when
that was the opportunity. Yeah.
Okay, big up to Gangsta Kid. Because Gangsta Kid did single you out and said, that's crazy. I met the people who know who you are. So you have to big up the people in the dance hall for who keep on giving the strength and love, spread it across. Yeah.
This Saturday, the 1st of February, Gangsta Kid, red and white
affair.
Loud.
When you know one can go over there, go check out Dan Crazy.
I'm next to the cloud this Saturday now.
Yeah.
I'm next to the cloud.
All right.
You hear me say?
Next to the
Gangsta
cloud.
Kid party, very loud.
Up there.
You say me if you speak loud,
Of
don't
course.
it? Okay. All right.
Of course.
There's an image.
So me see you forwarding with some niceness and some trophies that you were presenting.
Hold on then. Before me talk about the trophy, let's talk about the shot and salsa there.
Oh, sorry.
Hold
Yes.
on, me could talk about that something there, you know?
We could jump to that first.
It's like, what are you drinking, Dan Crazy?
What is happening over there?
What's going on over there?
Show the people what you drink.
A rum and everything boil up. Rum, NSC a boil up. Everything a bubble.
Steamy.
Champagne a bubble. If you're in the club right now and you drink out a plastic cup, it don't make sense.
Don't make no sense. Well,
You see,
sorry guys.
you don't have no image. Just see this 5-star dining style and the Upnlive show. You see what I go on?
Yo, I Queen country we live in a. Yo, big up the Queen, big up the royal family. A cup and sauce she deal with.
Yeah, you have to do it.
You have to have an image.
You have to have an image.
Big up Dan Bass.
What made you start that trend though?
This one.
Yes, that one. Cup and
Because
salsa.
I realize I'm in a Queen country.
Oh, so yeah, okay.
I'm a king.
You're a king. Of course. You have a queen too.
Okay.
Big up yourself, queen.
So, knowing is Dan Crazy and he's the one who says style and he's the creator of style. So hopefully in the near future we'll see that in the parties.
Yes.
This is
more.
my party already, you know.
Seen it more in the parties.
Right, you know, as I talk about the show go on one night at Brixton, me roll out with a different image.
Tell me about that image, you know.
That image is like a part of Prison Break. Everything they chain up. But at the moment when Gangsta Kid there work,
you have to drop off the chain.
No, me tell them say, yo, free the chain, because I run from one side to the next side.
Oh, Zine, you never want a baggage.
And my friend them say, yo, watch it. They don't have no space, you know. It's a slim.
Yeah.
I mean, alone go up on London Bridge and dance on the bridge where you hold on by your hand and dance. You know. If you ever drop, you're dropping at tens. Them now have no image.
Yo.
That's so that's the line where Dan Boss you see if another image you can't see up on the bridge.
You can't go up on
Alright.
the bridge.
Backside. All right, cool.
Yeah, man. Big up Dan Boss, man. As a UK artist right now.
Who is supporting the dancers, yes.
Yeah, me not go around him thing.
Yeah.
Right now, UK, for just know, say, yo, you want we'll uplift our next artist. Like, uplift Stylogy, we'll give our next artist. Cause guess
course.
what? You see, Jamaica is a small island, but them have many vice.
Little but with
and
Talawa.
we there, so, and we not even realize, say, yo,
Little but
appreciate
with
what
Talawa,
in the front with.
That's true.
We have image. That's why I'm draw for the image, you know. Because them see it in the front them and them afraid to acknowledge it, you know.
Yeah.
Acknowledgement, big up IAP, big up Rode Ire, big up Tamakid. You want to call some name, you know. But talk, no babe. Talk, man.
We're going there all night. All right.
Speaking of like we on that topic, let's get talk some business right now. The current state of dancehall in the UK because it's a hot issue we all need to speak about and you are here, so tell us about what you think about the issue in dancehall by the police locking down the parties. The parties are going to some secret location thing, even though that been around for years. But the dancehall scene is not improving, like going forward to the nice, cleaner corporate side. Why is that?
What is your opinion on that?
You know, say, as a youth in the street, I feel like say somebody close to me. But I don't want to go there, so. But big up to dancehall, we need to uplift it. Me big up on youth right now. I'm one of acknowledgement of youth there.
Yeah.
You see that youth and one Dan, Foley Dan.
Foley Dan.
Yeah.
Big up Foley Dan.
No man, big up Foley Dan, man.
Yeah,
From
me not
my
go
era.
around him thing.
No, hold on, man. It's a Foley Dan. It's a youth come from my era down at Ochi. Me know Foley Dan as a little youth that grew up a DJ. You see me?
Stop light.
Yeah.
Stop light. It depend. No, you don't use that color there. But stop light. You hear me say stop light?
Yeah.
The reason why I stop him, because I'm big up Ochi. Big up my mother.
Yeah.
Ochi Rias. Yo, St. Anne's. White River.
See there?
Yo, Myland. You
See
don't
there?
want to talk about some friends, but me not draw out your show. Yo, Rasta. Yo, I want to run ground.
See there?
Big up
Nah,
yourself.
go around your thing.
Yeah, but as All Stars, so you have to big up Foley Dan because he has been campaigning
Is a youth way.
and he's very honest
Yeah.
when it comes to the music industry.
You see dancehall.
And he's very honest with his opinions, and which we can appreciate.
Because like
which
when
we can appreciate.
like-
within
That's
our
why I'm
industry.
draft him
hold on
name
now.
now.
You say Foley Dan, I listen now.
Big up yourself,
Foley
Foley.
Dan can remember the thing in our community. When them usually call them a demos, there has usually be a thing named Team Jam, where them usually have a
Okay.
little talent thing.
Me know them
And
show them, but
He was one of those one where we always see I bring forth some talent and you get me.
That's
We
good.
always see it
That's
grow up. So we have to give
Big him
respect
up.
to
Yeah,
Foley
man.
Dan.
Big
See
up
him.
real
yourself.
to the game.
You don't know big
real
up
to the
vibe I see
game.
him with him brother in a ring ding. You don't know.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes,
you don't
yes, yes.
Real
Yeah.
to the game, man.
But let's pull it back to you, Don Crazy.
Yeah.
You said so. Mr. Waki is the inspiration. You've been dancing for a really long time.
Long time.
When you came to the UK, what were some of your like good moments? Because we see you here with some trophies. What were some of the good moments that you can highlight, which have led to you being awarded on more than one occasion? Because you tell me say I know the only 3 you have more of them.
Yeah, we have
So
only-
tell us
we have
about
So
those
only
what's those trophy
experiences. Yeah.
for?
dancing.
Yeah.
Give us some
dancing.
more details. What dances that you created were they for? Who gave them to you? I mean, what events were they presented to you at? Give us some more details in regards to that.
Yeah, me a big up one crew named Uppity.
Mm.
No pity. Them girls are so pretty. And them give me the first
Lady Petal
trophy.
use that
Yeah.
terminology there. Yeah, big
And
up
she
yourself,
me a
Lady
big up.
Petal. Yeah.
And them give me the first trophy of England. Me no
Cool,
walk
man.
with it, cause one of my son have it in 9 room. And he must say, yo, me nah take it out time room.
Feel more on that.
You see me I say, I feel me,
Yeah,
give it to
man.
him already.
Yeah, man.
You see me I say,
Yeah,
so me
yeah.
couldn't even move with him trophy. And that was 2004.
Okay, and
So the image I roll from when?
did you get that for? I mean, your
Yeah, one
contribution to the
dancing
in within dance hall.
dance.
So that is
in
what
a
you
UK,
got it for.
in
Okay,
a
then
UK.
cool.
You see me? Like, we out there, we are doing thing,
Mm.
we promote people. Them time there, we're not even on social media yet.
Okay, yeah. So you had to be promoting your thing
You have
physically.
to promote the thing physically. Them time there, Mr. Waki just left from London. Bogle himself. Dreams nightclub.
Yeah.
And we out there and Waki roll out and roll out. And then we there Petal dance and Petal say, yo, crazy. You move away. You move away like dancing. Yo, you take it to a next level. And she give me a trophy.
And she acknowledged and supported you on
from
that.
day one.
That's good. That's
Day
good.
one, and I always remember that. So
Okay.
me have to always say, up it, no pity.
Up it
All
in,
right,
up
so
it in.
hold on now. Me see a little problem in terms of in dancehall, in regards to dancer and what they would have called the flossers them
Yeah. True.
and the DJs, because we have to bridge that gap some way and somehow, because you have some man they basically play to get money pull up, and you have some DJ play for money pull up, and they're missing out the part of bringing the dancers and
Together.
the relevant faction into the equation to make the dance really nice. And it's
True.
been going on under the radar, so we need to talk about it. What's your views on that in terms of what am I doing to dance all in the UK?
Yo, 100%, I'll tell you, say, the deep, the hardcore, the rave where me I advertise, and that a go on. The DJ them a play for money pull up. The rave them with me, image lad, the youth with the most trophy boy, a rave, any rave where me advertise, any rave where me talk about. When me go there, sir, and reach there, sir, when me say the stadium full before you reach it, the DJ will reach it, I play there. Him a play for your money forward. Him not even business about me, not even promoter.
That's true.
Because
and we've
I
seen
realize,
it over and over
Not
again.
even
Hold
the
on,
promoter
we have-
business who is me.
I realize that we have, this is UK, it's not a third world country, it's a first world country. We have better facility in Jamaica, we have better equipment, we have better venue, and we're not seeing to get out there in the world. We're seeing even European traveling the rest of Europe to keep dancehall camp.
Yep.
Why is
True.
not the Jamaicans in England? Because I think we're one trap minded in our sense that we're not trying to get our thing out there by going viral. You see, if a man dance nice and dance crazy, them and the dancer
people
girl
are
them
gonna
come
talk
match my
about
place.
it.
A viral go, it's all the pink
it's going
wall,
to
it's
be
all the
spoken.
everywhere.
Alright. Me not even cut you. Me not even want to talk about my name only. Cause I know me alone.
No,
there
you have to talk
Yeah,
about
dancing.
I'm just saying,
we're
the
speaking
rest
in
of dancing
general.
faction.
Yeah, definitely.
You have a youth named Short Man.
Mm.
You have a youth named Money Wheel. You have a youth named MJ. Me big up every dancer. Me big up every artist. Me big up every youth to play music. But you know what dancehall need? Some people are real to it.
Who genuinely
Genuine
love
to
the
it.
culture.
Because you have certain dancers go on at ear time where it have to go on.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, no, I make them dancer postpone. You see me, I say? You have 2019, everybody in the UK I look forward to a dance name, No Deal or No.
Yeah, and that one been
that
postponed.
Oh, you have to
yeah,
make that
yeah,
them
yeah,
dance
yeah,
postpone.
that's true.
Or you have to make IRP, a youth where they are everybody party. Or you have to make them, you know, say, yo, something not right. Something, yo,
So,
Google
so
them.
in your opinion, what do you think is the
How can
reason
we
for
fix
that? How
this?
can we, what can we do that we can move forward to rectify situations such as these?
We have to hold our own when we come out to support you as a Rasta Empress. For know say, you want brother, you can't do nothing you say no. Because our sister plays with it. All if you not even stand up in the front me have to respect say your thing.
So it is
you say if a theme thing me there,
yeah.
me have to respect theme thing.
Right.
Anybody.
Right.
As a black brother, as a black sister, because we are mash up our own thing.
That's
you know.
true. And that is all it takes.
And we are
Support and
mash up our
respect.
own
Yeah,
thing, you know.
yeah.
Support and respect. If somebody stand up in my party, no say, yo, Dan crazy, me respect him. Yo, somebody a disturb something. Yo, me a crush it now.
So it is not seen, what them say, see I'm blind here and there. If it's not that kind of situation, if it's something that you can say, yo, dog.
No,
what
man,
that you
quash
do?
it, quash
yeah,
it,
that's,
quash
yeah,
it.
do it
Yo,
then and
we
there.
have to uplift for one another, right? Yes or no? Our party, it there. Two underneath, it's
Underneath
so
the radar,
powerful.
yes.
It's so powerful.
Yes,
And
yes.
in the lips country, we keep it underground.
Underneath.
No, brother.
And which leads me to ask, there's an issue, and I've said it to All Star, Q, and Rick before. You see, when we go parties, what I've noticed that the perimeter of the premises, that's where everybody stand up, and the dance floor empty, and you have a number of
Rasta,
people in.
Can I rephrase that question for you, please?
What?
All right. Let me play a bit of devil's advocate right now. Let me just break it down.
Why you
Small
stop me? Let me great
and
question.
simple, because you have the dance of them. Some of the dance of them, when them come at the people in party too, they're not dancing. They're playing like some skettle. If you
Not
are a
even
dancer,
skettle. No,
hold on.
More the skettle.
No.
Them a play.
Me a Jamaican and them know me
Rasta.
mean when me say that.
Yeah.
They are flexing like some skettle.
Them have no
If
image.
you are a dancer,
Yeah,
you're supposed to come out in the party and
True.
represent as a dancer.
True.
And do what you're supposed to do as a dancer.
Mr. Wack
Some
is
man
true.
oh say, boy, me not get pay feet, me not book feet. But you
No.
are a dancer, you're there
You're
to
there to
enjoy yourself
entertain.
and entertain the people as well.
It really
Because
upset
that
me.
is your job. You're a dancer. You're a natural. I don't say
You're
you have to do
natural
it every night of the
entertain-
week,
exactly,
you know.
but I mean,
But me see it.
vibes always right, music good. DJ them a play out them heart and soul, and you stand up in a corner.
Me see
a
majority
rock
of
one
the
time,
time.
image.
Some of the
Them
dancers,
not-
Them not
I'm
no
going to
image.
some of
have to
them,
agree and say them
they're
not
like
image.
they're like a
Them
regular
not
patron.
image.
If you don't see them in one corner, you wouldn't know them there. You're
Exactly.
God
you,
know.
You know we'll
So
go
now
what
part
day.
time
You see when
dancer.
you Google them dancer there,
You
them
not
never
find
pop
it. You know we'll go what day and we actually see dancing and
when-
go on. Cha-Cha Fridays, my G.
Yo, big up
Where them
Cha-Cha
name
Friday.
876 dancers.
Yo,
Yeah.
big up,
Anywhere,
big up the
anywhere
dance
with
group them
there.
right now. We're out there in the
You
street.
understand me? I say
Where I
not do
make
them
dance
thing.
Yeah, me like them
be
dancer.
relevant again inside the
In
dance
the
because
dancehall space.
I remember when I was growing up, like dance was a thing that you have to have that segment where people have to watch.
Exactly.
You see me? You have the part where man and woman dance, and you have the part where the dancer them go do their movie and catch a one little thing. But nowadays, It's like it's all flossing. Is it wet up and yeah, God no.
No, and it wet up in it wet up.
Wet up good, you know.
The wet up
but
still can't go on.
You have time for everything. You have to section it.
Yeah, the wet up still can't go on now. I just the DJ them.
What about the DJs? Because I've seen where DJs are playing dancing songs and them still each up in a corner, dog. It's like them bust a one blank and them make a one.
It means never in a building.
Them do the dance them under quiet. And me I say, do it dance. Why not go into the dance floor and entertain the people them with the dance moves? Because me can't dance, you know, and me go dance all party.
All right,
sorry.
Empress.
Apparently I'm getting a very
bit
emotional about the situation.
True. But may I say something to you? If Image Lad in another party there and then play one song when me create that dance from 2000, me there in London, England, before some of them young DJ will come and play any song them can download. Because me know when record I play and me a lap dance as a dancer. So enough of them can't talk to me. Even artists, me no want call no artist name on this.
Okay.
But me know me Image from Jamaica. Me think loud. And some dancer will have Image now. You see me I say? But every artist where they oversee, I tell me say, bro, you should have there up on ground. The reason why I say that, hear me I say, you have some DJ in England, when them see we in a building, me know short man, me know money with them they'll push it to you. And dance I me I tell you about, they will push it to you.
Yeah.
Me will push it to you. Meanwhile, some DJ see me in a building and they now play dancing song them. And when me not in a building, I play dancing song them for people feel like say, yo, where I play them.
Yeah.
Me going at some different dance. Me I tell you about some Dan Bass on the tune in. I took you on the tune in. On know me I talk about.
Well, I know. Let me just ask you a quick question. How is your togetherness with everybody in terms of like the dancers and DJs inside the dance hall space?
I be a love man.
So you and everybody good.
Every DJ with a spin music in a London right now, any icon DJ name you call right now where you think of a run London.
Yeah.
Them good with me.
And the dancers as well.
Dancers, me and no dancers, no mumbles, bro.
Okay, so you and them no good then.
It leads you back to the point.
But you and them no. You lead me back to because like
the support and the respect.
I'm respect every dancer. I respect every DJ.
I'm just trying to find out like you know like sometime you see the Uptown Mondays, you see the passa the boom Sundays and everything. When you come on to like the segment for the dancer them, you see whole heap of different faction, but they're still dancing together as one, even though they're not in the same crew. Why we don't see that in the UK? Why is there? Is I missing something?
No, you know some of the time we end up at different parties, don't it? Cause majority of the time, me not the way dance at them there in the UK. Me not even gonna lie to you. A few times, me and Short Man, anytime we link up. Anytime I see MJ, we link up. Anytime I see Gossa, we link up. But me always there where they I pray them there.
Yeah, but
me hardcore Jamaican, cause me never dash on my culture.
Yeah, definitely.
But hold on, Dan Crazy. We're talking about the hardcore dancehall. Don't you think it's a lot of money to made off of dancing and capitalize on a lot of things in terms of the dancing scene and the dancing environment? Yeah, because like going to France, Belgium, Germany, we have all these white people are teaching our dance move.
Yeah. No. That's why me always say, yo, it's a short man. You see that youth there? I always respect him because from day one. When me and him roll out there in the street to a party, you have a youth named D-Blacks, him a do music now. Bujo entered the country 2004, Bujo Bantan, and I me and D-Blacks they on him show as a UK dancer. But Short Man did in the scene from them time there. So me always salute the youth.
So what about the long-term plan, like farming up a team? Like I'm talking about a full team. You have to look at it at a business aspect. You know, like getting a couple of young dancers so you get to live on, do some things like some dance camp, things like that. Workshops. Yeah. Some things like that, because as you say, you are the creator of style. I guess there would be a lot of people who's interested in a lot of your dance move them to pay good hard earned money to learn.
Me,
Me not
does.
even go around your thing. Y'all say, yo, crazy. What you do, bro? What you deal with? Me can say this to you right now in the front you. And we there so it a go live. Yo, camera on around there so bright, a be a light. Yo, snap this, somebody can wake up and watch this.
If you told the artist, you know.
No, because him say something now when me say to him where it makes sense. But me choose like, yo, you want dancers them can come, you know. Dancers them can reach, you know. But me always do it. Well, yo, more show you if you do me no mind.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? More create it. But that's the way me say walk it, do it.
Okay, but
So me nah go group dance.
it's not only. I don't
it's
think
not
it's
about group dance.
not-
I'm
it's not
talking about
group,
you
it's teaching the culture.
teaching
Yeah, me
the
no mind
culture to other people, like keep a proper
like
dancehall camp.
You see how
A
like
dance, rent a
Okay.
studio,
Yes.
rent a studio, get people from all over the world.
Like me,
Pay
we
to
can
come
dance
to
and
fly in
wanna
from
know
all
for
over
dance.
to the UK
Yeah.
to pay, and you are the teacher, the dancing teacher
the class.
who's teaching them
You
the
want
various
no,
dance and move.
Rasta, salute, Empress on the ground.
Bless up yourself, my G.
From your ear tall so on a twist. Yo, you see extension, it don't make sense.
What you say a while ago? Say
Jesus Christ.
it little louder.
I kill me over here.
Say it little louder. Okay, what you say a while ago? You say about
No,
extension.
Rasta run ground.
Yeah, what you say about extension.
Extension that makes sense. Listen,
Drop a
no
bomb, no.
image man.
Him
Don't,
not drop no bomb. Him not drop no bomb himself.
yo, Dan Bass, big up yourself. Google them. Extension that makes sense.
Yeah, but to
The
answer the
reason why I
question.
say that, you have a Rasta Empress, CR7, big up it, no pity. Lady Petal. The Rasta Empress ya come towards you and she check you and you reach out to me. And from about 5-6 years ago, that woman here tell me say she have a building. And she only chose me
For the class.
for do a dancing.
Oh, okay.
And me I say to her, I say, yo, just give me some time. Me just want to fix things. Earlier on, my virgin said to me, no, don't feel no way. You know me I talk about. You see me I say, but yeah, yo, oh, you feel like say you can fix everything.
All right, now, so I'm just calling out somebody. If you're watching or if you see this video anywhere outside in the world, I want to say big up to Top Up Dancehall Camp over there in Germany. If you're seeing this, I would like you guys to give a look and Dan Crazy career. As what him say, he's a creator of things. I know one have a big dancing camp in Germany, so maybe he's one of them man they want to need for hire. You know, showing a couple little new things.
True.
Different outside of the Jamaican people where also come there. Yeah.
Make the people them know which dances you're creating now, please. Because the coming like whole heap of people don't know. Tell them the dances that you have created.
I create a dance named Tom Cruise.
All right.
Tom
Dan
Cruise.
Andre,
Dan
big up
Andre, yeah.
yourself.
That's
big
here.
up with Dan.
Yeah.
You know, say Dan can link a Dan.
All right. See that now? See that now?
Dan Bass tell you, Google them, Dem Naa Pop Up.
Nah, come up. Aye.
That's true, you know, cause you know you want Dan Bass, Dan Crazy,
Dan
Dan Bass. No, me say Dan
Hold
Bass,
on.
Dan
Dan
Crazy,
Andre.
and Dan Andre.
Yeah,
Hold on, no, man.
yeah,
Me
yeah,
targeting
yeah.
right now, man.
Yeah.
Not three Dan, me can't let film Dan run out like a part. So
Yeah.
Yo, big up Jenna.
Yeah, I
You
understand.
don't know. Yo, big up Dan Andre. Dear
So,
one.
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise.
Next one. Quick and fast. Because
Quick
time
and
is
fast.
time is running out.
Tom Cruise. Pananak.
Pananak. Pananak.
Yeah, man.
Panala-
Duolands.
yeah.
Yes.
Big song.
Big up the
Lock
next
down
one.
world. You see me I say? We go so not dirt.
No dirt. Big
Clean.
up Bossy Soldier.
Bossy.
Bossy Soldier, big up himself.
Okay.
Nina and the team, big up himself.
Okay.
Yeah.
All I CR7, all
You understand all
crime,
that
Stratton,
Heath?
Brixton,
Yeah.
Peckham.
Yeah.
You don't know how come across the bridge. Image.
Image.
Okay.
All right.
They say
Then.
the Tower Bridge or our bridge.
So those are a few dances that you've created.
Yeah, man. Talk about some more dance.
Quick and
Hold
fast,
it
because
more.
time
Yo,
run
big
out.
up Harry Toddler. Jamaica it reach now.
Yeah.
Ball game start.
All right.
World Cup moment.
All right.
And a normal image.
And a normal image.
You see me? Dan Bass, Google them, not pop up.
No pop up.
Okay. Big up Harry Toddler. You don't know. Dan Crazy, footballers dance.
Yeah.
Image. Are the first image song that sing right now in our world.
Okay, cool, no man. Cool, no
A
man.
girl Chester, You know it as a next name, but as a Rasta,
Galchester.
Galchester.
Gal-
Oh.
Anyway,
Okay.
big up for people in my girl just you don't know
Yes.
Shabba
Shabba
Eddie.
Eddie,
You don't know.
Piggy.
Big up all
Yeah,
Coast.
man.
Big specialists. You
Yeah,
don't
man.
know. Hot
Big up
Wax Sound. Big up on
Yeah,
yourself.
man,
You
big
don't
up the
know.
rulers, them at Jamaica, Arita, Live, everybody.
Yes.
You don't know. Yo, big up a youth there, no.
Tell me. Who that?
Expensive, no. That youth there use the bike, and me don't know what I do.
Some stunt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Him dey on the stage with the bike, them.
Him-
Yo, it's a ruler, you know.
He's a
He's a
dad.
ruler.
He's a dad.
Yeah.
I
Him dey
understand.
on the team. Yo, big up Arita and the whole team. Them sing
Alright.
the song about image,
Yeah.
control.
Yeah.
You don't know.
All right.
Ballers dance. Big up Dan Bass. We create a next dance. Or we say image on the bridge.
Yes.
Okay.
So what we're going to ask you to do now is to tell the people where we can find you on social media, because time is quickly running away from us. Where can we find you on social media?
Dan
Mm-hmm.
underscore dot crazy.
And that's on Instagram.
Instagram.
Anyway, we'll put it in.
Yeah.
If you type that in a Google, it definitely I go pop up, don't it?
I got pop up.
I got
It
pop
come-
up.
it-
You
it
understand?
forward with the image.
You understand? Follow
So
that
people, this is
image.
Dan Crazy. If
I
you type
queen
in name, it
country.
a go pop up.
I queen country.
Thank you ever so much for passing through and
Manners.
sharing some knowledge with us. We're going to be looking out more for you within the dancehall spaces.
Web them.
Web them. Go
Web
on,
them.
big up yourself and creating more dances. We do appreciate that within the dancehall industry. So keep up the great work, and we're wishing you all the very best for 2020. Right
Thanks.
about
Don't
now, turn it over to Mr. Dragon All Star. Yeah, drop some
You
music.
don't know, you know, I want to say just this show is sponsored by Shush Printer. You don't know it's promoted by Royal Mag
Yeah.
Entertainment. You don't know. Right now, back to the Braffins and Shensi. I don't
Braffins.
soon for that one. So we play
Loud.
it. I hope when I put it on YouTube and all that.